In this video, we are going to be packing orders. What is up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel, the place to be for everything personal growth, leveling up, wellness, entrepreneurial life, creating healthy habits, and all that good stuff. So I'm super excited. I'm going to be packing my first orders. Yes, I did deliver an order yesterday, but that was a pickup order. It wasn't a shipping order. It's my first time to do this. I have no idea how to do any of this stuff, so we're going to do it together. I moved my working space from the basement to the dining table because it's much more spacious and there is enough space for the printer. So yeah, let's do this. I've watched so many YouTube videos about how to do this, so it shouldn't be that difficult. So I guess I'm clicking on create shipping label. Oh, I haven't plugged my printer. Just a second, let's plug the printer. I'm also going to make a detailed video about how to use this printer, but yeah, before that, let's just get this done. I don't have a weighing scale, so I had to improvise. When I went to work to deliver the journal yesterday, you should have seen that in the previous video. I weighed the journal alone and also with the packaging, and now that's where I got how much it weighs, which I'm just going to input in my computer right now. Okay, so that part is done. I've added the right weight. Now what I'm going to do is click on create shipping label. To be honest, why now? To be honest, this has been very shut up. To be honest, this has been very challenging actually, because I'm still here for the past 20 minutes trying to figure out why the shipping is not accepting. But anyway, hopefully I got it. Let's try one more time. Please work. Merci beaucoup. Okay, let's try. Close. Let's try one more time. I'm going to choose 5 to 8 business days and then print shipping label, purchase shipping label. Oh my god, it's working. It worked. Oh my god, it worked. Okay, now I need to use the printer, which I've not used before. So let's see how this is going to work. Is this also going to take me like 5 years to try and figure it out? Because now I was losing my patience. I was going to just be like, you know what, we'll try again tomorrow. But nah, I checked the post office closes at 5. It's currently 2:22 and I got this. So now I guess we just click on print. I don't have a packing slip because I have no printer, so I'm just going to print shipping label. Oh my god, this is unbelievable to print one order, you guys. It's 3 now. I've watched so many videos and I think I found the problem. The problem is that I faced the paper inside out. I don't know if that makes sense. Let me show you. This here is the printing paper, so I was putting it this way instead of that way. So of course nothing is going to print. All right, let's try again. Okay, I finally figured it out. I have 2 shipping labels. I printed them twice because one looked smaller. Unfortunately, I can't show you the details because they have my customers' addresses. This one is so small you can barely see the words, and this one you can kind of see the words much better. So I think I'm going to go with this one. And I figured it out. There is still some work to do, but I need to print this before 5 and go actually before 4 so that I can head over to the post office. I was also going to schedule a pickup, but that's not going to happen today, so I gotta run. So I'm going to go ahead and print out all the other shipping labels. I'm not doing all the shipments. I'm just doing about 4 to 5. Take them to the post office and see how long it's going to take for you guys to receive them, because I don't want to do all of them and then mess up. Yo, this has been the longest process ever. It's currently 3:36. It's been over an hour and I'm trying to figure out the printing stuff. Anyone figured it out, I'm going to make a detailed video about that. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified when that video is up, just in case you're interested. But I have my journals here, I have my packaging over here. So now let's get straight into the packing. Alright y'all, that didn't take so long. Imagine this took less than 5 minutes. Packing the stuff and printing the paper took about 1 hour. That's insane. Anyway, let me get ready and run to the post office because they close at 5. It's 3:48. Yeah, I don't know why I'm laughing, but it's probably because of my ratchetness. Let me show you how I'm walking to the post office. With my grocery bag and my packages. There are not that many, so why the hell not? I thought I would take a taxi, but what's the point of taking a taxi when I could walk? You know, it's just close by. Yeah, that's it. Next time I'll probably try and do the pickup order so that they come and pick it up, but for now, because I just want to feel the whole experience, I'm going to go to the post office. Okay guys, we are all done. I can't wait for you guys to get your orders. I made it on time to deliver some of you guys packages. I cannot wait for you guys to get your journals. Official launch date is next Wednesday, which is going to be, I believe, May 12th. The journals that were sent out today were ordered on the pre-sale. If you haven't watched the pre-sale video, I'm going to leave a link to it above. Definitely feel free to check it out. But that was also another exciting moment in my life. I have never done any of this stuff, pre-sales, whatever, none. It's the first time ever, so the whole experience is just so exciting to watch back. I'm like, oh my god, I did this. Every step of the way I'm like, I did this, oh my god, I did this, and I really did do it. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, of course, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, do not forget to order your copy of the 90-day Be Your Own Babe journal. As always, do not forget to stay motivated, be patient, trust the process, and spread the love. I will see you in the next one. Bye.